that is why there is going to be a clear violation here if you actually insist on grades 11 and 12. Because, ang tawag po dun sa dinidelay mo kunwari, circumvention of the law, yung po ang tawag namin dun eh. Why I have no problem with ROTC, I fully support it 1,000%. I am fully behind the DND on the matter. I find it very difficult to accept this kind of proposition where the Senate is being asked to circumvent the law. With the UN Declaration forms part of the law of the land. And we cannot just trifle with the international community. This is what we said on completion date. So on completion date, kailangan 18 ka na. Hindi kung kailan ka inilagay sa reserve. Because we can delay that for obviously. And that's why the solution is very simple. Huwag mong gawin sa grades 11 and 12. Lagay mo sa college because now, because of grades 11 and 12, they will hit college at 17, chances are. And by the time they finish their training,